When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I sing along, it made me smile. Those were such happy times and not so long ago. How I wondered where they'd gone. But they are back again, just like a long-lost friend. All the songs I love so well. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-la-ling-la-ling, then they're starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Looking back on hardwork years gone by, and the good times that I had, makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed. It was songs of love that I would sing to them, and I'd memorize each word. Those old melodies you sang so good to me, as they melt the years away. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-la-ling-la-ling, then they're starting to sing so fun. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can even make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-la-ling-la-ling, then they're starting to sing so fine. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-la-ling-la-ling, then they're starting to sing so fine. Ocean apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. I hear your voices on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. If I see you next to never, how can we say forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I'll be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I took for granted all the times that I thought would last somehow. I hear the laughter, I taste the tears, but I can't get near you now. Oh, can't you see it, baby? You've got me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I'll be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive this romance, but in the end, if I'm with you, I'll take the chance. Oh, can't you see it, baby? You've got me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I'll be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Raindrops Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crepes, apples, doodles, doorbells and sleigh bells, schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Where do I begin to tell the story of how great love can be? The sweet story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gave new meaning to this empty world of mine. There'll never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made the living fine. She fills my heart, she fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely. With her around, who could be lonely? I reach for her hand, it's always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers, but this much I can say: I know I'll need her till the stars all burn away, and she'll be there. Smile, though your heart is aching. Smile, even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you get by if you smile. Through your fears and sorrow, smile, and maybe tomorrow you see the sun come shining through for you. Light up your face with gladness, hide every trace of sadness. Although a tear may be ever so near, that's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find that life's still worthwhile if you just smile. That's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find that life's still worthwhile if you just smile. Smile, just smile.